How can I have my Word Online document or Google Doc read to me as I type? Open the extension in either a Google Doc or a Word Online document. Click on the Writing Assistance tool. It has a sheet of paper, a pencil, and a caption bubble as an icon. You will have two choices. First, you can turn Writing Assistance either on or off, and secondly, you can select to have the letters sounded or spelled out. For this example, we will select to have Writing Assistance turned on, and the letters sounded out. Click Save in the upper right-hand corner of the Writing Assistance tool. Let's listen while we type.
K. Quick.
It did sound out the letters as we typed, but you may find this method to be a little distracting. Let's turn off the Writing Assistance and type a couple of sentences. Turn Writing Assistance back on. Highlight the sentences and click Listen.
The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The fox ran away.
This method is more comfortable to the ear to catch left-out words, unintentional words, and clumsy sentences. We suggest that you begin by first typing the document, then turning on Writing Assistance. Highlight the document and click Listen. Make any corrections and listen again. This method will help you prepare your paper to be turned into your instructor, or to take to a tutor for further assistance.